Okay, right now, excuse me. Okay, right now, I'm using my table as a stand. I got basically these cheap light source kits. So 3-point lighting. However, it's not really the best. I'm using plastic bags, as you can see, to kind of diffuse it. I'm not really happy about those highlights on that, but might try and figure it out later. I'm using that wrench over there just to tighten up the joints here, but doing some stock footage, and I like this table set up, so that's what I'm doing. So for these stock footage, I'm actually just getting some cereal for cereal pour, and I'm just going to be like dumping it in here and getting the shot of the cereals being poured in. This will be recorded in 4K. I have my small HD and the Sony A6500 set up. The mic's already set up, but I'm not really using it because I'm just using it for the footage. For the video, for the stock, I won't need audio for it, so that's all I'm doing. And submitting it online. We'll see how well it works. I'm actually using a new stock site. I haven't been on a stock uploads for a while, but being that I'm sick, and when I get the time, I figured I'll try and do something productive, because I'm not really able to move around much right now. But this is something easy, and this is at home, so I can just like sit and rest up if I'm feeling sick. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, feeling down.